Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how text function works in Excel. Basically, text function is used to convert a value into text. In other words, if you want to see some values in a specific format, we can use text function. In this example, I have given 4 or 5 different usage of text function. Let's see one by one. The first example, I have given some value and I am using text function to show it as a date. Let's see how it works. Text function has 2 parameters. One is the value which you want to convert. The second parameter is the format on how you want to see the output. So here we want to see this value in a date format, for which we can use this type. M is nothing but month, D is nothing but date, and Y is nothing but year. See, now it shows the date format of this value. In the second example, we want to see this date in a specific format which is shown in this cell. I want to see this date in this format. Let's see how it works. Text of D is nothing but the date or the day. D is nothing but the date. M is nothing but the month. And Y is nothing but the year. See, 2nd December is shown in this format. So D is nothing but the day, and D is the date, M is month, Y is year. The third example, we want to see this value as a percentage. Let's see how it works. So 0.35 is shown as percentage. In order to see it as percentage, we have to use this format. If you want to see the value in percentage along with decimal, we can use this format. Let's see how it works. So it is showing it as percentage with single decimal. If you want to see with 2 decimal, we can mention it as 00. This last example, we'll see how this time function shows when you use this format. So you want to see the time in this format. So I'm just going to use this function. H is nothing but hours, M is minutes, S is seconds, and AM/PM is nothing but whether it is AM or PM. So basically 13:30 is 1:30 PM. So it will show accordingly here. See, 1:30 PM. This is how the text function works. And we can use text function in many areas, and which will be very useful if you want to see any value in a specific format. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please comment and subscribe. Thank you.